Whoa, we're outside, guys. So guys, we're now in the plane, and now we need to find time. Destination. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have a cough. Okay, I have a seat, and it's actually a private seat. I don't know. I'm just joking. I don't need. You actually don't do this. I don't know. You cannot sit everywhere. Just you have a card over here that I'm knowing. Look at that card. Oh, okay, it's blocked. The float is blocking the card. There's a timer to sit. Now please find your seat as we are about to cross the area of high turbulence. Oh, that guy has been having a little bit of help. Hey, 14. It's already 14 over there in the back seat. It's already over there. Okay, what's happening? Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as your crew prepares a snack for everybody. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. I'm gonna eat the tablet. I'm not gonna eat the sandwich, but I wanna eat it. Allergic to mayonnaise. Please not be allergic to mayonnaise. Oh my god. Oh. Celine C? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I just buy it and I get up my scarf because I cannot put two. But I could put two in the in computer, but in mobile I can't because there's no advance. Okay. Look, guys, what is that on the right wing? I don't know. It's a creepy one. Look at her face. Dun, dun, dun. You will not survive. Why? Are those snakes? Oh my god! It's kind of weird snakes. It's actually have a square head. What the? Is there really a snake with a square head? I don't know, but I don't even know what to tell. Okay, I'm gonna say go, 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 go to the restroom, go, 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 oh freak, oh freak, oh freak. I'm gonna go, oh my god, no. I'm just gonna go back where I am. So guys, we're now back on the video. It actually has been, I just died, so I'll just go back. If I die one more time, I'm just gonna go back. After I finish this video, okay? This is my first time editing my video right now. This is my first time gonna edit my video. So yeah. I don't know what edit I'm gonna use for now because I'm making a video. So whatever you say. Guys, look what's in the Hey guys, you already know this scene, so we're gonna set it. Okay, let's go. We made it. This is the only one that is not locked. Guys, wait, why is this called restroom? And the inside is lavatory. Oh my god. Okay, it's not working. It's not working, guys. It's not even working. Hey. Okay, there we go. It's working. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I'm doing it. The good news is the powers is back up. The bad news is that we are losing sign like the amount of oxygen. Oh my god, it's really happening. Oh my geez, you need to open that. Go, 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 go. I already a mask with a mask. Oh my god. I have a mask in my mask. Oh my god, you don't have a mask. Oops, you die. Oh, in this game, two people can only survive two. Okay, that's why all the people playing this this game, actually, two in the game. Okay, it's kind of not on point, but I don't like it. Let's dance, party. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my god, what is that? It looks like a bomb. Wait, what? Oh my god! I get the bomb! Follow me, dude! Follow me, dude! Dude! Hey, dude! Go here, dude! Go, 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 go! Help me! Help me, dude! Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm always the victim! What the heck is this? Oh my god! There's the scissors! There's the scissors! Get the scissors! Get the scissors! The stupid scissors! Hey! Here! Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. Help me! Hey, dude! Oh, I found myself. It should come. A blue. The blue is safe. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I will die. Yes. I'm not dying. We haven't heard about the crew in the wild. Oh my jeez! Oh my god! I know this already, guys. I already played this and I win. And I have a badge. Look at this. There's so much food. Okay, guys. Wait, guys. So, guys, we need to alert the captain. Quickly, go to the captain room. We need to go. Dude. Go! What the? I cannot pronounce your name very good. Go to the captain room. I don't care if you don't do that. Oh no, we're gonna find the button again. Oh no. There's a lock. This is a lock. Something over here. It should be over there. 1957. Sure, it's over there. Hi, Julie. It's over there to the other side of the airplane. I'm kind of suspicious. This the smallest airplane. I know some airplane is big, like a small thingy. I find the code is 1270. Okay, we're now here. And let's open the door. Oh freak. Oh no, oh no. Help me, guys, help me. Are you that creature? You will pay for what you have done. Why? You think you are here on accident? No. But you're not. I brought you here. I know. All of you. All of you? Or just you? That's not possible. Oh, it's possible. She's a ghost, dude. She has powers. We're not in the airplane, we're in space. We're in the space. We're in the space. We're in the space. Find the button. Go, 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 go. The captain is unconscious. I don't know how to pronounce the name. The plane is falling. This is spaceship or in space. It's in space. Go, 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 go. Wow. Need to find a pilot button. Go, 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 go. Flip everything. You're fine. Before we do. I cannot move something. We're all gonna die, dude. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Yes, put it. We saved the plane. Yeah, we saved the actually. Please. Let's go. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't worry, we will get you home into no time. Is everyone okay? Yes. We are okay. Pilot mode is on. It's 170. Well, 1170. Okay. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. On the topic of pilot suicide. No, you will do it. I will not do it. You will do it. I don't want to go there. I want to control the plane, but you're still going like crazy. I don't even know. Oh my god. How can I go on it? How can I go on it? Okay, I'm over there. I can move. Okay, let's go there. Sit. Can I sit here, huh? Oh my. I can move like crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm dancing. Oh yeah. I see the ghost. I'm dancing with the ghost. Dance, ghost. Mwahaha. Your humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. What? Last chance. TJDRK, dude. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. Eternity. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. Your humans are so weak. What the heck could you do? This is not the last time you see me. Yeah, I'm dancing. Yeah, boy. It's gone. We win though. Yeah, how can I go outside the door? Hey, TJDRK. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you never miss my video. Smash that like button and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.